Hi, I'm Andy, the Kenworth Guy. Thanks for coming by the channel today. So today we're going to look at a beautiful blue W900, my favorite color. It is a truck that I have sold. It was one of our stock units, so let's take a few minutes and head outside and check it out. All right, so here we are on location. We are at the Assiniboine Park area, and we drove this beast over here to take a look at it. So let's check it out. So this is a 2019 W900L. Like I said, this truck is sold, but this is one of our stock units. We pretty much carry this in our stock at all times. They're set up with a 244-inch wheelbase. It's got a 13.2 front axle. It has Super 40 rears, 391 gear ratio on 24.5 rubber. So that's the same as 370s on 22.5. But yeah, and yeah, let's just take a closer look at it. I wish the sun was shining. It was shining a little earlier. It's a beautiful shade of blue. You gotta love that. Really nice. And yeah, we got the Texas bumper on the front here. As far as the grille, we got the additional 4 ribs on the front, so it has the additional grills. Hey, we got another friend showing up here. Look at that. So the rest of this truck here, we got dual stacks, dual air cleaners from the factory. We have the exhaust tube shield covers, and right here is where we house the batteries. And the def tank is right here with the polished cover. We polished these up. Rob at Big Truck Detail, check them out on Instagram. They did a really nice job. They put the buffing wheel to this here and got a mirror finish. I just love his work, just looks so awesome. We installed these stainless steel smooth half fenders on at our shop here, Inland Kenworth in Winnipeg. And we got the Kenworth AG400 suspension. This is the 8-bag air ride. So as you can see down here, it's got the 8 bags. Bridgestone tires, and like I said, 244-inch wheelbase. We ordered from the factory with a 5th wheel ramp, so that's what we got right here. And as far as the 5th wheel itself, it is a 24-inch slide 5th wheel, 8-inch ride height. Sorry, this one's a 9-inch ride height, and it's a Holland, of course. So let's take a look on the other side here. Wow, that's look at how close I got to the snowbank. Like that's some pretty skilled driving, I think. Anyhow, so on this side we have the single large tank. Again, polished that up really nice. And this is the 72-inch Aero Cab Aerodyne bunk. So this has got the double bunk inside. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. But yeah, just look at this. Here we got the steps, access on both sides. And right here is where your emission system is housed. You can order that with a polished or a checker plate cover on here. So this one is the checker plate or diamond plate. It's been corrected a few times on that. As far as the stainless steel strip under the door, that's an option as well. So if you'd like to have that, you can order that along with this right here where this is all polished. So if you order a 72-inch bunk, that comes as an option. If you order the 86-inch bunk, it's standard. So just a few things there. So let's open up the hood and take a look inside. All right, so on this side here, we have the Cummins X15 Performance Series. It's ordered with the 565 1850 torque engine. It's 15-liter displacement, of course. And as far as the fluid level checks on this side, we got your washer fluid up here, your engine oil check, power steering, your engine oil fill, and then up high is where your coolant is. We ordered the trucks with the remote lube terminal right down here, power boost terminals, and then we also put in the additional supports here for the long hood. Let's take a look on the other side. So over here, here's your turbo, your HVAC system. And we have most of our HVAC system mounted outside the firewall on the W900 series, T800s. Pretty much all of our trucks are set up that way. So it's really easy to service. You don't have to take the dash apart to get access to it. So let's close up the hood and take a look inside. All right, so here we are inside the truck. We'll just kind of go across the dash like we normally do. So what we have over here, your power windows on both sides, your power mirrors, heat, your adjustment, and then your heat control there. Down here you have your power door locks, your backup lights. Up here is your interior lights, so that's to turn on the red lights on the floor, and then the cab lights, and then this is for your sleeper. Here's your engine fan, a spare switch. And up here is your turn signal. This puts the windshield washer fluid on the window, and this is a little marker interrupter switch for your clearance lights up on the roof. We ordered this truck with the standard gauge clusters right here. These are standard gauges. We put in a few extra gauges over here, and then we get the Nav Plus system in here. We do order the truck with the leather wrap smart wheel, so you got the cruise control and then your Jake brake control right over here. And then up high, right up here is your driving lights, exterior clearance lights, trailer marker lights, etc. The truck does have four-way locking differentials. So there's your forward axle, your power divider, and your rear axle. Air suspension dump, PTO, air slide, fog light switch, beacon switch, hazards, a couple auxiliaries. So it's a nice setup as far as gauges and switches in here. Now taking a look at the seats, I have some stuff on my seat here. These are leather seats, the Sears seating, so they're an extra wide base. They have a height adjustment and then dual lumbar support right there. And we do order them with the seats, the armrests where they can flip out of the way like so. These ones are very simple operation. They flip down like so, and there they are. So that's that. As far as the bunk, with the 72-inch bunk, it gives you the option to get the fridge down low here. So that's an option that you can get. When you order the Diamond VIT interior like this truck has, you get the cabinet doors up here, and then you get the storage shelf up above, and then you get the diamond stitching along the back. This truck has the upper bed, of course, as you can see there. I'm not going to bother dropping it down. You can check out some other videos that I've done of the interior sleeper, and it does show the sizes of all those different bunks and so forth. Now on this side, we have another open door here, storage shelf up top, and then down below we can order open shelves or with a drawers. So those drawers are an option with this interior. And you can also get the sleeper window doors like you can see here and here on both sides. So that's a quick interior tour on this truck. So thanks for coming by the channel today to watch this truck video. I really appreciate you taking time to do this. Like I said a few times, this is a stock truck. I do have it sold. A big thank you to Don Rilett for buying this truck. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or comments, please just ask them down below. You can also find my contact information below if you need to get a hold of me for any reason. If you're interested in building or speccing a truck, I'd be happy to help you. I'm here at Inland Kenworth in the Canadian prairies here. So thank you for coming by, and as always, have yourself the world's best day.